So look what just showed up. LDO Box Turtle Enclosure kits. And I think this batch we still have some blue ones left. So let's take a look. We got some blue extrusions. We have some foam tape for sealing the doors. There's some other foam gaskets here for the poly dryer. The poly dryer is actually included as well. Looks like it's a standard poly dryer. Actually never got to play with one of these, so I'm excited to take a look at it. We got the fastener kit. Looks like some bushings, pins, probably black oxide screws, or I think LDO likes to use this nickel coated ones. I'm not sure what these are, but they look pretty good. Some heat inserts, T-nuts, everything you're going to need basically to build it, and spares, because you can never have too many screws and heat inserts. So it's one of my favorite things about LDO kits. They always include some extras. The rubber seal, I think this is the same one used in the clicky clacky doors. They work really well for insulating and sealing enclosures. And then some cast acrylic panels. So this one comes with the black as well as the clear, all nicely packed. I think they're 3mm. So yeah, this is everything you need to build the Box Turtle Enclosure kit.